And I started to think, would I want to teach my son ethics the same way I was approaching it in the law school? In the law school, I was approaching it, well, let's do a cost-benefit analysis. You know, what's the downside risk was the way to approach it. Because there was no notion that I had, and I said, gee, is that how I want my son to think of everything? Gee, what's the downside risk? How likely am I to get caught? Will this happen? I said, whoa, no, that's not how I want to be a parent. And so a method that I use now to try to develop, well, what do we mean by ethics as a backdrop is say, if you could interview the person who is going to date or marry someone you love very much, I usually pose it as your own child, what qualities would you say were essential? Every time I've done this, in any age group, I will get essentially these 6 qualities mentioned. Trustworthiness, respect, responsibility, fairness, caring, and citizenship. Citizenship being, as I defined it, sort of being part of a community. When we do this with kids, we call it the 6 pillars of character.